Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which two statements regarding candidate readiness are true? Option A. Candidates can have different readiness level ratings for each plan on which they are candidates. Option B. You can select the candidate readiness so that it displays on the succession plan and in the analytics to compare candidates. Option C. Readiness is specific to each succession plan and feeds the readiness on the worker profile. Option D. The readiness level for succession plans is the same as the advancement readiness selection on the career planning portrait card. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Candidates can have different readiness level ratings for each plan on which they are candidates. Option B. You can select the candidate readiness so that it displays on the succession plan and in the analytics to compare candidates. Question 2. You need to mass assign goals that exist in the goal library. The requirements are as follows. Performance goals A1, A2, and A3 should be assigned to Manager 1's direct reports. Development goals B1, B2, and B3 should be assigned to Manager 2's direct reports. Which option accomplished these requirements? Option A. Manager 1 and Manager 2 shares goals A1, A2, and A3 in B1, B2, and B3 with direct reports, respectively. Option B. The organization owner should add goals A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and B3 so they can be accessible as organization goals. Option C. The HR specialist selects goals from the goal library and then assigns them to the appropriate population. Option D. Manager 1 adds goals A1, A2, and A3 and Manager 2 adds goals B1, B2, and B3 to their direct reports performance documents. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Manager 1 adds goals A1, A2, and A3 and Manager 2 adds goals B1, B2, and B3 to their direct reports performance documents. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.